Which of the following is not a result of cell division? First option is growth, second option is repair, third option is metabolism, fourth option is reproduction. Metabolism is not a direct result of cell division. Metabolism refers to the chemical processes that occur within a cell or organism to maintain life. It includes activities such as nutrient uptake, energy production, and waste elimination. While cell division can indirectly influence metabolism by increasing or decreasing the number of cells involved in metabolic processes, it is not a direct outcome of cell division itself. On the other hand, direct result of cell division, growth. Cell division plays a crucial role in the growth of organisms. By dividing, cells increase their numbers, leading to the growth and development of tissues, organs, and ultimately the whole organism. Repair. Cell division is essential for the repair of damaged tissues. When tissues are injured or damaged, cell division allows for the replacement of damaged cells with new cells, facilitating the healing process. Reproduction. In many organisms, cell division is responsible for reproduction. It enables the production of new individuals by either asexual or sexual reproduction, depending on the species. So, the correct answer is option 3, metabolism.